Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video on if function of Microsoft Excel series that is currently running into my channel. So today we are going to learn how to use the if function and test a condition of a value, and we are also going to use the if function in nested form. Please watch this video till the end to learn more about the nested form of if function. This is your host Pritam and you are watching Technical Portal YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get all notification from my channel. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back friends. For your easy reference, as usual I am going to run the OSK software, that means the on-screen keyboard, so that you can notice which of the keys I am pressing in my keyboard. Friends, I have already created a file previously. Let's open that file. Here it is. Suppose you have a data file and worksheet like this, and if you need to test a condition, then take one action if the condition is true and another action if the condition is false. You can easily use the if function to do so. So in this example shown, we have a list of t-shirt that includes color and size. However, the size is abbreviated as S for small and L for large. Let's say you want to write a formula to expand these abbreviations to and show either the word small or large in column E. In the other words, if a cell in column D contains L, it will return as small, and if a cell in column D contains S, it will be returned as small. To do so, you have to simply type the formula like this. Look at here carefully. I am typing the formula. The formula will be equals to if, then you have to open the first bracket. After that, you have to give the logical test. As I am giving, the logical test will be if it contains L, it will return as large, and otherwise it will result as small. So you have to type like this: D5, select that cell number as D5 here, equals to, in double quotation you have to write S, then you have to close the double quotation, then put a comma here. Now it is asking for a value if it is true, so simply write as small in double quotation, small, so that whenever the cell contains S, it will return as small, and it is now asking for value if false. At first put a comma here, then in double quotation write large here, L-A-R-G-E, large. That means whenever it does not contains the letter S, it will return as large. As mentioned in the double quotation, it can be any value specified by you. Then simply close the bracket and hit the enter button. Look at here friends, it is L and it is showing as large, and if you copy the formula from upside down, where it finds the S letter, it will return as small. So let's check how this formula actually works. If the cell D5 is equals or contains the letter S, the returned word will be as small, else it will be returned the word as large. Note carefully, we are only testing for S here. We don't need to test it for L. That because we only have two possible values here, and the else part of the formula that means the false result, will be logically takes care of L for us. If the cell does not contains S, it must be L. This formula works fine for two conditions, but what if we have a third condition, for example M in the medium? In that case we need to extend the formula with another if statements. We just have to put the second if statement replacing the false result. In this cell you have to type the formula, and at first we have to delete the previous formula like this. Then you have to type the formula. Look at here carefully. Equals to if, then open the first bracket, then it is asking for logical test. So here we will give D5 as equals to S. It will be in double quotation, then put a comma here. Then it is asking for value if true. If this contains S, the value will be returned as small. Then you have a medium as a logical test. Then you have to nest another if formula like this. Put a comma here, then again write if, then open the first bracket. Then you have to write D5 or select that cell here, then put a equals to symbol, then write M in the quotation, that means D5 equals to M. Then put a comma here, and it is asking for value if true, and if the D5 contains letter M, it will be medium. So open the double quotation here, then write medium here, close the double quotation, put a comma here, then it is asking for value if false. So you have to write large here, that means if it is S, it will return as small. If it is M, it will return as medium, and if this does not contains S or M, it will simply returned as large. And close the bracket. Look at here friends, we have opened two brackets here, so we have to close two brackets. Then simply hit the enter button. Look at here, it is L and showing as large. And if you copy the formula from upside down, where it is S, it will showed as small, and where it is M, it is showing result as medium. So that means the formula actually works perfectly. This technique is called nesting, since we are placing one function inside another. With it is used with the if function, you will sometimes hear it called a nested if statement. So that's all for today friends. Hopefully you learned a new trick of if function today. Hopefully you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, share your opinion as well as your queries in the comment section. Keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and stay tuned.